Battery packs, also called power banks, are an essential purchase these days. Smartphone manufacturers continue to prioritize reducing the dimensions and thickness of a device instead of extending the resistance and longevity we get from our expensive phones, but battery packs can increase the phone's own power and offer peace of mind. The modern capacity of the battery ranges from 1,821 mAh on the iPhone 8 and 4,000 mAh on the new Galaxy Note 8. But even a large number does not always guarantee that your phone will last comfortably on the second day of text messages, web browsing, going through by Instagram. Withdrawing the charger in the morning, most phones can spend a normal day with a little energy, but unfortunately you cannot count on more than that. At this time, our Battery Week coverage has made it clear that lithium-ion batteries are not evolving radically and will not be replaced soon. So, if you know you're going to have a long day away from an outlet, it's time to put a battery pack in your bag. Smartphones support a variety of upload speeds, standards and ports, depending on the manufacturer and the release date. If you have an iPhone, it's the Lightning connector. Newer Android phones must have a USB Type-C port.